Hello YouTube. From an uncharted region with no electrical code, we're sending some generator power into a shed and looking for some opinions or to shed some light on some stuff. So you definitely see the orange cable. I just had some. So go big or go home. Why not just use it? It's a little pain in the ass, but it works for most of it. And you can see we have the other double over there. This is going to be a TV wall with gaming system, and we're probably going to do up the wall in a little bit after the insulation. I'm probably going to go with a laminate floor, so you can check that out. It's going to be a nice accent wall with a 55-inch TV and a console. But what I decided to do, that I'm looking for opinions, is I'm running dual leads, as you can see, red and black. I'm running dual leads on both of them, also the other one over there, simply because I want them to all have dedicated power, because I have the space. So from what I understand, we are sharing the neutral. I used a little bit of gray wire because that's what I had rather than bare for the grounds. You can see the grounds are all connected right here. These are the neutrals, and then you have one coming off of here and then the other one coming off of there, but they're independent. And then both of these run back all the way to the panel box, where for now, obviously one outlet is connected to the top and the other outlet's connected to the bottom. We have our separate grounds and the bus bar. And the reason we're not connecting the bus bar for neutrals and grounds here is because it's a separate ground, and my power source for the time being is a generator. And I plug it on the outside of this building with a 1430 plug, and this one already comes bonded. And so since it's my only power source, my power source is bonded, I don't bond the panel from my understanding. What's coming next is going to be a battery wall that the generator can charge or solar can charge. So a lot of this may change as my understanding changes. But from what I can see, I have two 20 amp breakers running two quad outlets separately. So if one blows, the other one would still work. I can always expand it since I have the space if I want to have totally independent. But I also have to think of lighting in here, and also some of the other stuff that's running power to the batteries, inverters, and all that stuff has to run through a circuit here. So the journey continues. Give me some feedback. Let me know what I'm doing wrong, and I'll try to do it right, because this is going to be a really fun place to chill. It's about 200 square feet and going to make it look crazy.